If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. All right, KiiiKiii, BTG. What does BTG stand for? Oh, KiiiKiii, your name is KiiiKiii. Just got that. Wow, bend that girl. Oh, KiiiKiii bend that girl? All right, let's see if they bend that girl. 3, 2. I have no like I was about to sorry, I got distracted, but I have no like opinion yet of KiiiKiii yet as a group. So, is this their official like debut, chat? Did you see TikTok of 10 and 10? I just talked about that earlier, Luna. Official debut. Okay, bend that girl. Let's go. What the hell? I heard someone yell.
Bend the girl.
What?
Bend the girl. Yeah. 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 YT on me. Mix it with the vintage super bun.
Okay, I didn't expect this. Yeah. She looks adorable. She flexing her braces like they grills. A pig? There's a little piglet. Oh. Oh. They're young. They're like brand new girl group from Starship. Ooh, okay. Tutting? Voguing? I'm not sure. I love that her t-shirt says t-shirt. Ooh. What? What's that beeper? What you know about beepers? What the hell? How old are y'all? Aren't you like even y'all young as hell? What you know about that? Were they jumping a slingy? They just beating their ass. Oh my god. I really like the chorus a lot. Like at least pre-chorus the chorus. Bop 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 bop. Yeah, yeah. They're 06 to 2010? Oh, these babies. Girls. Oh, bro, I'm getting too old for this shit, bro. There has to be a limit. Like, there has to be a limit, bro. Like, they talented. I like the song. What options? What options do you have? You like 15 to 19-year-old. What options you talking about? Where are your parents? You got options. It's a vibe though. This song a vibe. Goes hard. L-O-V-E. Ooh. Yeah. Who worked on this? This is all. Are they sponsored by Gap? The beat's catchy as hell. Yeah. Overall, it's pretty good. Not sure about the rapping yet. I mean, they rapping, but I think the biggest thing was that stood out to me was the pre-chorus to chorus a lot. Like that bend that girl with the whole melodic like singing of LOVE. I think. Let me see. Like this part. This whole like part, the dreamy part. This part right here. Fell in love with it. Then pop. Love that a lot. Yeah, put in the comments down below what you guys think of KiiiKiii's official debut, Been That Girl. It's pretty interesting. Again, they're like hella young. They're like babies. They're like my like little sisters or whatever you want to call it. They're babies. Oh my god. I'm getting too old, y'all. As like a K-pop fan, I'm covering K-pop for so long. It's like, oh my god. But song's pretty fire. Yeah, put a comments down below. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy Drake. Keep on dreaming, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And I'll see you in the next video. Or short form. Or Twitch live stream. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.